Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a chocolate-covered pretzel. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video. Now to start off with our chocolate-covered pretzel, we're going to begin with the top. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go up and down. Then we'll do the same thing here. We'll just go up and down here. Now, starting here, we're going to curve a line in. And over here, we'll do the same thing. You see, it's kind of like a heart shape almost. Starting right here, we're going to draw a line that's just going to curve around. And we'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to draw a line. We're going to go up and bring it down. Then starting here, we're just going to draw a line to connect it, and we'll make another line that just goes down and connects. Starting here, let's make a line that goes down, and it's going to come up. Right here, we'll make a line that comes down on each side, kind of at an angle. And a little line that's going to go down and up. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a wavy little line that's just going to go all the way across from one side of the pretzel to the other to kind of make it look like it's covered in chocolate. Now, starting here, I'm going to actually put them up here. I'll start by making a little line that's just going to curve around for a circle. And we'll make another one up here for some eyes. Then we'll add a little pupil inside each one. Right across, we'll make a straight line with a nice big smiley face. And a little sad face for the tongue. And there you go, there is your drawing of a chocolate-covered pretzel. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.